In notification, I have to go.
Yeah, so where you have doubts, just tell me.
No, actually, I didn't go by the detail type. I just go through sometime and want to know what is this and what is this.
So you didn't update this?
Yeah, approved.
So you have yeah. So where what is your doubts, Neha?
Sir, I will go to them by detail and again ask you later.
Okay, as of now you do not have doubts, right?
Yeah.
See, you can ask any questions.
No, that is not. Yeah, I know, but in detail I have to understand also. So I can go through and at that time when you were taking the classes about this, I just write down and didn't do by myself.
Okay. Uh, so you have made the changes on a based of that recorded class, right?
Yes, yes. Firstly, I want to understand, then I will ask.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So let so everyone having a now QBO file except Aswita. So I'm working on it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's fine. So you already made the changes into the company settings. So I'll explain that later on. That's not a issue. Because when we have accounts with it's just because when I explain it will take 1.5 hours to explain everything. And it's already 7:40, so we can't reach up to that. So let's start with the customer center as of now. And by the next lecture, I'll explain you the entire QBO setup, which I have already explained in that session. Neha, you were there in that session.
Yes,
So
sir.
even though you have doubts, like
No, actually, sir, that I was having internet problem.
okay, fine, not it. So you
That
can ask me in
I
a person.
record. Okay, sure.
Okay, so that's fine. You can ask me in person. So as of now, let's go with the customer center. What is customer center? Customer center, that is accounts receivable. In Indian language, you can say sundry debtors. Okay, so let's go with the centers. And please guys open that PDF file number 2, customer center. Aswida, I'm trying to create your account also. I just delivered account to Priyanka.
Okay.
So,
Hmm.
okay, time to create your also.
Okay.
Maulik, please carry on.
Yes, Neha, please open that customer center
PDF file. Guys,
PDF
everyone
file.
open that PDF file in your desktop.
Where I
Not
have to
here.
go, sir?
Sir has given you the PDF file, no?
Okay.
Yeah, in
Oh,
Google PDF number 2.
So now start doing entries from first. We will understand. Open this open this in another tab so you can alter tab and see the transaction. Neha, you also have to read first transaction and then do.
Okay. Create a vendor account for XYZ Limited. Go to expense, then vendor,
No,
then
don't read that. Just search just the question. Create a new
create a
vendor account for XYZ Limited.
yes.
Guys, in this PDF, as this is our just a startup, I have mentioned the solution also
Wait
below
a
that.
minute. Sir, Neha, you have
Yes.
opened vendor center. Open customer related transaction.
No, no, not here.
Not
PDF.
here, PDF file.
Okay.
Okay, this is, okay. Sorry,
First PDF first, yes.
oh yeah. Sorry, there's a post PDF. Translist was a separate one. Right.
Create a new customer account for John Doe with an initial balance of $0. Go
Yes.
to file.
Go to customer.
Yeah.
So, you are in a same bay.
First name John.
Yes.
Your critical training and your mind game training both are start because here I have used two names, Jan Smith, John Doe. Both are similar name. So you have to you have to be careful when you which account you have to use when you
Okay.
read restrictions.
Sir, any other details I have to enter?
No, not yet.
Opening balance, where I can find opening balance. Zero.
See, go scroll upward, upward, upward. Now close this name and contact. Name and contact. Close this. Yes.
See, just a minute, Mr.
Okay.
Maulik. Let me explain a few things to them. When you create any customer account, so you
Mm,
have there are 4 to 5 different detail section which you have to fill up. So here you can see in total 6 fields, detail modules which you have to fill. This is name and contact number, the basic information. There, after that, their address, then any notes or any contract which you can attach, so you can use that. The payment method, how you would like to collect payment from the customers. So you can mention their bank detail, bank account number, and a SWIFT code number. So you can directly collect payment from their bank account to direct your bank account. And if any additional information, so you can enter here. And for the custom field, it is something which you want to create like a filter, or if you want something on your invoice format on your when you record the transaction using invoice or sales receipt, you want something like a text field which you would like to mention. Though any kind of function you would like to have on that invoice or sales receipt, which QBO hasn't provided you. Like you want to mention some name or some agent's name on the invoice. So you can create that field from here from the custom field. And so when you create an invoice, now you get option to type or select agent name. And when you would like to filter out all the cells through agent, so you can easily do it. So that option also available there. So for the first name, I'm going to explain you the entire customer creation setup. So you will guys understand each and everything. Here you have to enter first name and last name. And here also you have to mention company name, just like say enterprise. And From here, you can select how you would like to mention in your customer center as a Mission Enterprise, as a John Doe, or as a Doe John. So you can select John Doe. Okay. Here you have to mention email ID. Here, as of now, we are going to mention all the dummy data just for your information purpose. If you want to make CC or BCC, you can add here. Then you can your mobile number. Here it's a fax number. Others name to print on check. Why it is showing this is like that? When you want to issue a refund to the customer for one or another reason, like a customer has given deposits to you when they start a business, so they give deposit to the vendor. So for our customer, we are vendors. So they give money as a security deposit for the business purpose. So whenever they close the business with us, we have to refund amount to them. At that time, we have to print a check. So which name should be on that? You can predefine from here. And it's a sub customer. So if you want to create a group of customers, like there is one, we can say Misho Enterprise, that is one company, and there are 10 more subsidiary companies. So what you can do, you can create main account as a Mission Enterprise, and under that you can here you have to select Mission Enterprise. So what will happen? This account will go under that. Do you know main account and sub account?
Yes.
Right, the main account and subsidiary account you can create. So this is here we have mentioned name and contact details. Now why it is showing the red flag? Because we have selected sub account, that's why. And madam, why the base currency is INR?
I actually do that.
But that is coming by default as a USD.
Sir, multi-currency options, please click that on. It's off, multi-currency option.
This one. And Shrita, your account is almost done. So please check your WhatsApp. I'm sending you information on that.
Okay.
Multi-currency account. Why we are using multi-currency account? Because if we do business in a multiple countries and we are getting bills in a different currency, so we should not convert that invoice into USD and then record it. Instead of that, what you can do, you can just record as it is the bill. Like you have received a bill in euro. So what you have to do, whenever you create a vendor account, you have to select euro currency for that particular vendor. So whenever you record bill for that vendor, you have to record bill as it is. Like it's a 3000 euro, so you have to record bill as a 3000 euro only. System is going to get the exchange rate from the Google and convert that amount into USD, means in your base currency, and show in your P&L in your balance sheet accordingly. Also, account receivable will show separately for each client with their different currency. Like AR in USD, AR in Euro, AR in GBP, AR in JPY, AR in HKD. So different currency will be there, and different AR will be there. So let's go with the customer center, the account which we have created. And guys, everyone have to create accounts in USD only. Okay, base currency should be USD. Now let's edit this. Let me explain you the rest of the part of customer center. Now address. Here you have to add the address. Okay, so I'm typing address. Yeah, please do
Okay,
that.
so you
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. You can type it. That's fine.
Oh, sorry. I have to enter the city New York or
City is New York. State NY.
only NY.
Yeah, only NY. No, city New York. City New York. State NY. Capital NY. Zip code 11005 and USA. And here just type 42 of hotel main street. Okay, so this is your address. Now the other section is notes. If you have any notes with the customers, any kind of discussion or any kind of terms you can mention here. And if you have any contract, so you can attach contract also here from here. Each transactions have options to attach documents. Okay,
Okay.
so you can attach document for any transactions, and that is useful when you do audit. This customer pay you in USD, US dollar. Why it is showing like this? Because we have selected multi-currency options. That's why.
Okay.
So whenever you select multi-currency, so make sure you are selecting the right currency, and that comes at first when you create a new account. Now, primary payment method, how your customer is going to pay. Let's say check. What is the payment terms? Due on receipt, net 15, net 30, you can set from here. And if you want to create a new payment terms, so on a company side, on right top gear icon, you can see all list. Under the all list, you can see terms. And from there, you can create new terms. Sales from delivery option, none. Delivery option means how you would like to send the invoice. You can select as per your requirement also, as and when required. Language, it is available in 5 language. Oh, sorry, 6. So we are going with the default one. Credit limit, you cannot sell beyond this credit limit to the customer.
So if the customer is going to pay in check and cash both, then
Mhm. So that is fine. We have just
we
mentioned
can directly do the payment.
you can flip that option when you record the payment.
Okay.
And additional info, customer type. If you want to create like this a retail customer, why it is required? Using this, you can easily filter out type of customers. That's why. If you want to filter out how many retail customers are there from the customer list, so you can do that easily. Taxes, exemption details. You can type here if it is exempt from taxes. Opening balance, if you have for the customer, so you can type it. If it is not, leave that as it is. So this is your additional info. Now about the custom field. I want something like agent name on invoice. We are doing sell in multiple location and with multiple agents. So I want to figure out which agent has made through which agent we have made these cells. So what I'll do, I'll go with customer type. Customer type or sales report, anything. I'm going with the customer type because I want here. So which field I want? Agent name. I'll show you. Uh, where you can have it. From the drop down list, you can you can create drop down list like this. What is drop down? So when you click on this, so this is coming four options. So this is drop down list. Like I can create here agent 1, agent 2, agent 4, agent. Okay, so when I'll go on invoice, I'll get this option with the name agency name, and I will get this drop into the drop down. I'll get all these four options. So I can select anyone. Then text or number. If I want only text or number, just like this is called text and number. If I want, I will get this kind of option. This kind of option where I can type anything. Number only and date only, just like the same way. We are selecting drop down for now, and where I want to see this, so into customer categories, and where, so in sales receipt, in invoice, in estimate. Also I want this in credit memo. I also want in refund receipt, and do I need to, if I wish to print on form, so if I print sales receipt, agent name will be there. If I print invoice, the agent name will be there. Estimate, credit memo, and refund receipt. So agent name will be there on a print. So when I just save it, now I'm not going to record the transaction. I'm just trying to show you. Got it,
Yes.
guys? Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And from here, there's an option. What you have to do, you have to just apply, upload any document, and the entire detail gonna be filled up automatically. This is payer view. When you send invoice now, so payer will see like this. Service date that is required. You haven't enabled service date. You require that. It's not here. A lot change into this. Here you can add your logo also directly. Actually, you could do this from setup, company settings. Can you see the difference?
Yes.
I'm not sure why they have uploaded this much. They updated a lot into the invoice.
So you can this is like customization of invoice.
Okay, so here what we are supposed to do, I just wanted to show you this one, agency name. Okay, so additional field you can add it. And ship to if you want, so that will be option. That option will be also here. Ship to, ship via, ship date and track number. Okay, so you can continue, Mr. Maulik, with the next task in customer center.
Yes. Neha, proceed with other transaction.
Update the contact information for the customer James Smith, changing the number to 5551234567. Okay. Firstly, we have to create James Smith. No?
Yes. Okay, go add a other number than it is there in sheet. Phone number.
How?
Add phone number, wrong phone number, and then
Hmm?
correct it.
Okay.
Yes. Any number, don't look there.
I have to write company name.
No, it's not required.
Save.
Yes, sir. Now edit the same. No, yes.
Delete the customer account for ABC Corporation.
Yes.
Directly save.
Yes, sir. Now make this account inactive.
Make inactive.
Yes.
Mm,
Okay, so now how can you see this? Go to overview. Oh, sorry. Go to customer.
Customers.
Yes, customer. Now see, from this, there is a setting symbol here. Yes, click them. Now see, select no, customer type, select customer type. Yes. See, so you can see it is a retail customer. Go,
Yeah.
so we don't want phone numbers. So declick the phone number. Phone number. Yes.
Mm,
We do. Oh, we know it. We don't require this.
mm,
Okay. Now go. Yes. Go. Scroll upward. Downward. See here it is. Include inactive.
mhm,
Click this. Okay. So now you will see the inactive account, deleted account of ABC Corp.
mhm.
Okay. So okay. You any column you want to see from of customer, you can select it from here.
Yes.
Okay. Now proceed.
Create a customer group name retail customers.
Yes.
Or customer
From customer type, not here, customer type.
retail customer.
You
Um,
can make it wholesale customer, any other name which you
it is
want.
by default retail customer.
No, no, sir has created now.
Sir has a agency one that was no?
Yes, before that, sir has created a retail customer. You can create another one, wholesale customer for practice.
In that I can do like so.
What?
Um, no, nothing. Okay.
You want to edit this?
Yes.
So
Click
click,
on
yes, click on edit.
assign customer John Deere to the retail customer group.
Yes.
Go to sales and customer. And then select John Deere. Uh, it is already, we can do with Jane Smith as usual.
Yes, you can do with Jane Smith. No, see, oh, it is you will make inactive. Go to Jane Smith, click on Jane Smith. You will automatically go in customer Jane Smith account. Now from
Mm,
here, go to edit.
okay.
You have to minimize all these name and contacts, and then you will easily, yes.
Okay.
Not here, in additional information. See customer tab.
Okay. Create a recurring invoice for customer James Smith for $100 per month for website maintenance.
Yes.
Mm.
Now create a invoice for Jane Smith. No, not from here. See, new transaction is there in Jane Smith. When you create any invoice, now go to the particular customer and then go to new transaction.
Okay.
In
Invoice.
invoice, you will see. See this buyer part automatically will
Yes.
fetch by the QuickBook. You can select the agent name if you want to, like which agent is this. Okay. Now create a product and services. See what is tag.
Mm.
We are providing a website maintenance services to number of customers. So you can here create a tag so that when you provide a multiple services like website maintenance, or you are doing service of computer or software services, then you can easily identify through tags. So create one tag,
Mm.
website maintenance service.
I have to write here website maintenance.
Yes, you have to write. Let's scroll.
Okay.
Add. Here, see add option is there.
Okay.
Yes, it is added. Now create. Oh, okay, it is
Product
created. Yes, now product and service. We don't need to write service date because we don't have any dates at present. Okay, create a service, add new.
name, website service.
Yes, website maintenance service. Now, which item type is this? Inventory item, non-inventory item, bundle, or
Service.
service?
Service.
Okay, so select service. No, we don't need to write SKU.
Okay.
Okay, select category. Select category. And it is a category which we denote has a which department is there. No, sorry, not department. Category means which service type we are going to, like software service, any other maintenance service. So like that wise. Website maintenance is a part of a software service.
Oh.
If we sell goods now, So what we select, uh, any item like wallet, then inventory item. So which category is this? So sale of goods a category.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so
Mm.
okay, so you can write description here in sale, service provided for this year.
Income account or
Income account, service income. See, now link with this of chartered accounts, chart of
yeah.
accounts. Income, so we have created service income, right? So you have to select service income. No, we have not.
This is
When we purchase this from any vendor and then sell this to the customer, then only you have to select this.
okay.
Otherwise, you don't have to select this. So at present, don't select this. See for how many write the rate?
$100.
$100. Okay, so see, this invoice is created. Now what, read the question again. What we have to do?
Make recurring.
Make a recurring. So go to QuickBooks, more action, go to more action. Okay. Scroll up, scroll. Scroll down, down. So you don't have a recurring option here. Why it is not there?
Actually, the things, the invoice template is totally different compared to others.
Yes, sir. Sir, company settings में recurring, there was a recurring option in company setting invoice, sale invoice.
No. Ashwita and Priyanka, can you please log in into your QBO file and Mr. Gaurav also and check it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even I can log in.
Sir, here option scheduling is there. In it,
Just a minute.
yes.
Here,
No, in invoice,
just a minute.
right hand side below design. So make it recurring. See,
Here, change all. Yeah.
yes, the format is changed.
But this is recurring payment setting. That's not that. Recurring payment, that is different thing.
Yes. Recurring invoice.
Okay, from here you can create templates, then the schedules. So okay, instead of that, they have given an option here. Fine, then you can continue with your training.
Okay, so create recurring.
Where I have to go? Man
No, go to the invoice is not saved, right?
Mhm.
So create
You
hold
have
on.
to do that again.
Yes,
Okay.
you have no, you don't have to write a service
Man-
date. Uh, it is
Now
it is on right hand side. Yes,
manage.
yeah, manage. Now go to scheduling. There recurring invoice is there. So you have to make a recurring invoice.
Mm.
Okay, here add customer. First add customer. It is not added. Here, uh, in invoice column,
Left hand side.
left hand side above.
Oh, website maintenance.
We have to select customer. Scroll up. See here, James.
James.
Hmm. Now click edit besides recurring invoice. Okay. Now see what is schedule type. We will schedule this. There are different types. Please click on these types. Yes. So schedule type means it will automatically get scheduled after our setting. Like we want to schedule after every 1 month on particular date, we want to create this invoice. Reminder, it will not save any invoice. It will only give us a reminder that this invoice is being due. So please record it. Unscheduled means it will not get scheduled in a schedule or give reminder. It will only be created in only show that this recurring invoice is due on certain period of time. So we have to do schedule.
Okay.
Yes. Create number of days in advance. Means how many days before the due date we want to create this bill. So you can write 2 days before the due date. So it will be created before 2 dates. Yes, see, you want there are many options. If we want to send automatic email to the customer, then click this automatically send email. Then include unbilled charges to the customer, then you can select this. Or when we want to print it later, then mark as print later. Okay, so select any one of these, mark as a print later or automatically send email. Okay. See, email, we don't have email, so don't click email. Okay. Now, interval. Okay. From where we want to start sending the mail to invoice to customer, or want to start this creating this invoice. So enter the start day today. Yes. No. In recurring, you can't go backwards.
Okay.
We can't record the invoice in backdated in recurring transaction.
So can I select 1st of February?
You can
February.
select first of February. Now, see, we have started the recurring. Now, after how many transaction we want to end the this recurring invoice. So select, if we select never, then it will be continue. This will continue for a customer till the customer is not inactive, till it is not inactive. So select by or after. By how many transaction? By which date or after how many transaction? So select anyone. By and we want to end it after 3 months. So you can select May. Okay, or now select after. So after how many occurrence, number of occurrence, or how after how many invoice you want to stop. So 2, yeah, 3, 4, any number. Okay. Repeat monthly. We want to repeat this monthly or on daily basis or on weekly basis or on yearly basis. So click on monthly.
Month.
So you want to send this email to customer every month on which date. So you have to select no, sorry, how many invoice you want to send to customer in a month. So it is one. We want to send only one invoice. Now on which date you want to send this email? So select the day. Like you have select start date selected 1st of August, 1st of February, right?
Yes.
Okay, so first डे कौन सा है मंडे which day मंडे no select every then it will go to every first Monday of the month this invoice.
And the date will show as 2nd of February.
Not 2nd of February, 1st of February. Start date is
Oh,
1st of
1st of
February, but when on recurring basis on next month, it will send on 1st of month of Monday.
Sir, I am confused whether it is go by 1st Monday or 1st February.
Uh, See, start date is first of February. Means this invoice will be sent to customer on 1st of February uh, for uh, uh, for the invoice. Starting date is 1st of February.
Okay.
Means you are creating invoice on 1st of February. Now you want to repeat the invoice every month. So from next month, like from March, the invoice will be sent to customer on first Monday of the month.
Okay.
So you can click on and select a day. Select day. Okay. Now select any of the day. See, fourth day, third day means on every, yes, on second day. Yes. So it will be repeated on every second day.
Okay.
2nd March. For next month, it will be 2nd March. For April, it is 2nd April.
Mm.
Okay, now save the template. So where you can see this transaction, go to Jane Smith. Recurring transaction. So go to recurring after statement. See, it is a invoice is not created. We have saved. Next date, when will it will selected 2nd of February. Next date.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you create a recurring invoice.
Mm.
Okay, next transaction. Okay, so it is time for, we will continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have completed till 7th.
Guys, I would like to say something. If you are okay with the daily basis, so I'm fine. And but if you like to go with alternate days, because see, I really don't want to make this training headache for you guys, because it is required self training also, right? So if you like to go on alternate days, so that is fine too. So at least you will get one buffer day where you can do practice.
Yes,
Because
sir.
okay, just recently what we have done, we have completed transaction in Neha's file. Now you all guys have to spend time at least for 1 hour during today. Only after that you can achieve all the transactions and you can share your screen tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So if you guys are free, like we can go with the alternate days, so that is fine. We were doing alternate days before, but a few candidates are asking to complete the course at the earliest, and that is the reason we bring it on daily basis. But we have observed there so many candidates are behind the task, and the training become headache for them. So we don't want to make it. Okay. So whatever your opinion is, you can share me in personal. We'll check it and then we'll act accordingly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
And guys, just enjoy the training. Don't uh, consider this as a heavy task. सुबह उठते हो मॉर्निंग में just come with
okay.
fresh mind, with high sound.
Yes, sir.
ગૌરવ ચા પી લેવાની યાર ચા પીધા પછી આવો મજા આવશે.
I am fine, sir, and I am
Okay. There's really like a solid tempo in your sound.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then, guys, share me your opinion in a personal message. Then we'll check it, discuss with everyone, and then we will act accordingly. I'm okay with alternate days also, and I'm okay with daily basis also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time, and I'll share the recording also. Once I heard from Zoom. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Done.